Thanks for watching and listening. Please support the goal by following, like, share, comment, subscribe for more. Thank you and stay safe always. Emergency alerts are vital for public safety across the globe, acting as immediate warnings during crises. Countries have developed diverse systems tailored to local needs, relaying information via sirens, SMS, and social media. These alerts notify citizens of natural disasters, severe weather, or security threats, ensuring timely response. In an interconnected world, understanding these systems enhances preparedness, protecting lives and minimizing risk during emergencies.